athaki ega oro mwaka ria Soya Award nirehoretwo njeki ni honge itiganite cia thirikari na kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 6.
Akieria hindi ya kwamukira mbeca icio mwambiriria wa mihango eno Paul Teragat ni acokeirie anyitite ya ngatho akiuga unyitaniri wao ni ukwagirithia na ugacirithie ngereno ici.
Ruhonge rwa NSSF rurutete ciringi milioni 3 guku Purity Ndwiga uria ni murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ukinyaniria agitugiria wagiriru wa Ngoga ici kuona ni igucagiriria athaki kwirutira.
All partners over the years for identifying and investing in this novel cause. As a country, the role and contributions of our athletes to every facet of our national life need no emphasis. What, in fact, we should be asking ourselves should be, what and how much have we done for this great sportsmen that we have?
The authority has been a key partner of Soya for over 14 years now, and we continue to demonstrate our deliberate intention to support initiatives that enrich the society, including sports. So it is in line with our corporate social responsibility that we supported the Soya Awards this year with Kenya shillings 1 million.
Kogene ko timu ya Inter Milan muthirani